Log in to SigmaPACK when a job status is on order. View or edit packing materials list. Materials are stored in the database for multi-user sharing. Select items from the job to pack and review item counts. Add packaging material and review calculated weight. Save package including physical location and package attributes. Activate package to ready package for dispatch. Create dispatch to send the package. Save and post dispatch to finalize the packaging process. Job status is moved to delivery. Delivery note is added to the job with packaging information.